Good afternoon, students. Yesterday, in the previous class, we have learnt about the median and also the median when how to find out the median when ungrouped data is given. That too, in the ungrouped data, if there are an odd number of terms, we are using the formula as n plus 1 by 2. When there are an even number of terms, we are using a n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. That is nothing but the median. Now let us go for the grouped data. If at all when they have given the grouped data, then how to find out the median here? Let us take the example of exercise 13.3, the first question. They have given the monthly consumption of the electricity, that too in units they have given, and the consumers, number of consumers in the next one. So the class interval it is 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165. 165 to 185, 185 to 205. The class size of this it is nothing but 85 minus 65 it is nothing but 20. 20 is nothing but the class size. So the frequency is given 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, 4. Now let us add the frequency, sum of the frequency. It is also called as a capital M. So summation of Fi is nothing but now add as 20, 30, 40, 44, 49, 49, 50, 51, 52, 52 plus 4 it is 56, 56 plus 8, 64, 64 plus 4 it is nothing but 68. Now how to find out the CF here? Let us take what is CF? Cumulative frequency. CF is nothing but a cumulative frequency. It is nothing but adding the frequencies to the sum of the preceding frequency. Okay. Now here nothing is there. Before this 4, nothing is no frequency here. So it is nothing but 0. We will consider it as 0. 0 plus 4. That is. Next the sum is preceding sum is 4. For that next frequency we have to add 4 plus 5 it is nothing but 4 plus 5 it is 9. Now the sum is 9 plus next frequency is 13. So 22. So sum is 22. Next frequency is 20. It is 42. Sum is 42. Next frequency is 14. It is nothing but 56. 56 is the sum plus next frequency is 8. So 56 plus it is 8 is nothing but 64. 64 is sum plus next frequency 4. That is nothing but 68. Now how to check that the CF is in the right order? So we have to see the last frequency, that is last CF we have to see, and we have to compare with the sum of the frequencies. If it is equal, then our CF table it is correct. Let us go for the next one, that is n by 2. N by 2 it is nothing but this is the value half of this sum of the frequency. That value where it lies in the CF we have to check. For that purpose we are using the n by 2 here. N by 2 it is nothing but n is 68 divided by 2. That is 2 3 is 2 4 is that is 34. Now 34 is n by 2. Where this 34 lies? It should be equal to 34 or it should be first means little bit greater than this 34. So now here 34 we are not having, so we can take 42. It is little bit greater than the first greater number than the 34. So 42. N by 2 it lies here. N by 2 is lying in a 42 here. So next we have to, now that selection where the n by 2 it is lying, that cumulative frequencies data class interval, it is nothing but the median class. Which is the median class, that is 125 to 145 is nothing but the median class. Now let us take the formula here once again. Let us glance the formula here. Median is equal to N plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So we need L. What is L? L is nothing but the lower limit of the median class. Lower limit is 125. So next N by 2 already we are having 34. We have to know the CF. CF is nothing but the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency presiding to median class. that is CF. That CF is equal to how much? That is 22, presiding to this median class. So next comes the F. What is frequency here? Frequency is nothing but 20. The selected class interval or a median class. It is nothing but that class interval's frequency is called as F. So let us solve the problem here. L is nothing but the lower limit 125 plus n by 2 is 34 minus CF is 22. Frequency is 20. Then here another one missing, it is that is nothing but H. What is the class size here? 85 upper limit minus lower limit, that is nothing but 20. So it is into 20. So 125 plus 34 minus 22, it is nothing but 12 divided by 20 into 20. 20 get cancelled, so 125 plus 12, it is nothing but 127. Clear? Thank you. Good morning students. Let us go for the next exercise, that is 13.3. In that first main I have told you how to find out the median for the grouped data. They have given the class interval, frequency here. Now how to find out the mean for this one? The same thing, the next column here, it is here xi. Xi, it is nothing but the class mark. Class mark is nothing but upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. That is nothing but 150 divided by 2. That is 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 75 is nothing but the class mark. So here 75. The next class mark it is 95. Okay, next 115, next 135, here next is 155, next 175, next is 195. This is of the class mark. And the next column is UI. The step deviation, we are using the formula as UI here again. UI is nothing but xi minus a by h. A is assumed mean. How to find out the assumed mean here? How many terms are in the class mark column? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 terms are there. That is nothing but odd terms. The middle one, it is nothing but the assumed mean. You have to consider it as a assumed mean. A is equal to 135. So what is the class size? Class size is upper limit minus lower limit. That is nothing but a class size 20. So now find out the xi minus a, that is 75 minus 135 divided by class size is 20. So it is nothing but 10, 60. Okay. So 5 minus 5 is 0 divided by 20. That is 60 by 20. So it will be nothing but minus 60 because the bigger number sign is minus. So 21s are 23s are minus 3. The first UI is minus 3, next one minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is UI column. The next column you have to take it as a Fi into UI. That is Fi into UI. So Fi column, this is Fi column and UI column. 4 minus 3, that is 4 into minus 3, that is 4 3 is 12. 5 is 10. So 30 ones are minus 30, 20 zeros are 0, 14 ones are 14, so 8 twos are 16, so 4 threes are 12. This is nothing but Fi UI column. So summation of Fi into UI is nothing but how to find out the summation of Fi into UI, sum. So minus 12 minus 10 it is minus 22, minus 13 that is minus 35. So plus 0 it is nothing but minus 35. Next plus 14, it is nothing but minus 21. So plus 16, that is 5, minus 5. Next plus 12, it is nothing but 7, plus 7. So let us go for the mean formula. So mean formula according to the step deviation method, mean is equal to, that is x bar is equal to a plus summation of Fi into UI divided by summation of Fi into H. So A assumed mean it is nothing but 30. 135 plus summation of Fi Ui, it is 7. Okay, 7 divided by summation of Fi, it is nothing but 68 into class size is 20. So that is 135 plus 7 2s are 14, that is 140 divided by 68. So now send me the division for divide this 140 divided by 68. What will be the answer in the decimal form? How much you will get the answer in the decimal form? 140 divided by 68. It is nothing but 2 point, next is 0, 5, 8, 8. So approximate we can take it as a 135 plus 2.06 we can take. So add it, so 137.06. This is nothing but the mean. Now how to find out the mode? Now no need of taking another column for the mode. So for this mode we have to find out all the terms which are under this mode formula. So let us take the same column here. To take the mode, first we need a maximum frequency. Maximum frequency. Which is the maximum frequency? Highest frequency in the frequency table, that is 20 is the highest frequency, that you consider it as a F1. So this is the maximum frequency. In that maximum frequency, what is the class interval? For that frequency, maximum frequency, the class interval, that class interval is called as a model class. Model class is 125 to 145. Okay, model class is 125 to 145. Is it clear? Next, let us go for the next one. Okay, let me take here also. Let me take it that mode here again. Good morning students. Let us go for the now mode. Just now we have got the mean. Next we will go for the mode. Now for the mode, there is a table. The same first question they told you to find out the mode here. So for the mode, what are the things we need? It is for mode now. In this mode, the first thing you have to find out the maximum frequency. Which is the maximum frequency in the given table? The maximum frequency is nothing but 20. So what is the class for that? Maximum frequency is 20. What is the class? That is 125 to 145. That is called as a model class. Model class is equal to 125 to 145. So what is the lower limit here in this model class? 125. Which is the F1. Maximum frequency is nothing but a F1. So maximum frequency is 20. Clear? The maximum frequency is 20. So F1 is 20. What is F0? F0 is presiding for that model class. Presiding frequency, that is 13. Succeeding frequency of that model class, it is 14. So H, what is H here? Class size. That is 85 minus 65, upper limit minus lower limit. It is nothing but 20. So now go for the formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So it is nothing but L is how much? 125 plus F1 is 20 minus F0 is 13 divided by 2 into 20 minus F0 is 13 minus F2 is 14. Okay. Into what is the class size? 20. Clear? Now let us go here. Okay, let us solve it here. 125 plus 20 minus 13, it is nothing but 7. 7 by 40 minus 13 minus 14. Add it. So it will be 27 into 20. So the last will be 125 plus 7 by, it is nothing but 13. 40 minus 27. 13 into 20. Is it clear? Next, it is nothing but 125 plus 140. 7 into 20, it is 140 divided by 13. So 125 plus is nothing but 10.769. So the answer is 135 point. 769. You can take it as approximately 137.77. That is approximate symbol. That's it. Is it clear for you? Is it visible for you? Thank you.